Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and uncover a hidden compliance landmine that is actively threatening organizations operating in today's dynamic work environments. We often think of compliance as this static, check the box exercise, but as our workplaces have evolved, a massive silent gap has opened up right under our feet. Today, we're going to expose exactly what that gap is, why it's catching so many incredibly smart professionals totally off guard, and how you can fix it almost instantly. With a massive rapid shift to remote, hybrid, and bring your own device setups, or BYOD, you really have to ask yourself a pretty tough question. Are your current security rules genuinely effective, or are they just giving you a false sense of security? Think about it. We have folks working from local coffee shops, transitioning between their personal tablets and corporate laptops, and communicating across half a dozen different digital platforms. If your rulebook hasn't fundamentally adapted to this new reality, you aren't just unprotected, you're literally walking directly into an operational hazard. There's this really stark, visceral contrast happening in most companies today. On one side, we have these dusty, generic guidelines. You know the ones, those dense, boilerplate manuals written a decade ago that are practically digital doorstops. On the other side, we have our modern reality, highly dynamic, hyper-connected, remote, and BYOD work environments. Trying to govern this modern reality with those dusty old guidelines, it's literally like trying to navigate a modern smart city using a hand-drawn map from the 1990s. It just doesn't work. And here is the immediate operational risk. Because these old manuals completely lack real-world practical examples tailored to these new environments, your staff are left totally confused about what acceptable user behaviors actually look like. They aren't trying to be malicious, right? But when the guidelines don't explicitly tell them how to safely handle corporate data on a personal phone or how to secure their home network, they end up guessing. And in information security, guessing is the direct precursor to a breach. It's also the exact thing auditors are hunting for. Section 1, the hidden audit trap. Let's look at why this is a complete compliance nightmare. Auditors know exactly where to look to find the disconnect between your perfectly written policies and your daily reality. The crucial point here is that failing to explicitly address modern tools triggers a dreaded audit trap. Think about how much business happens today on enterprise instant messaging platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams. People are sharing files, making snap decisions, and passing around sensitive data constantly. If your guidelines only talk about securing physical filing cabinets and standard email, an auditor will take one look at your modern communication channels and immediately flag a massive vulnerability. So when an auditor spots this gap, it results in a very specific, painful penalty, a minor non-conformance under the essential requirement of staff awareness. This is a trap that so many intelligent professionals just don't see coming. They think, well, we have a policy, we made everyone sign it during onboarding, so we're good. Actually, scratch that. They assume they're good. But the auditor isn't just checking if a document exists. They are checking if that document actually creates awareness of modern risks. If it completely ignores how your staff actually communicate today, it fundamentally fails the awareness test. Section 2, timeless standards. Let's move beyond all the jargon. If we step away from all that intimidating, jargon-heavy compliance language for a second, we realize we don't need a maze of regulatory numbers to understand a truly secure culture. True awareness isn't about memorizing a list of draconian rules. It's about embedding a deeply practical understanding into everyday work. It is a continuous process. It means that when an employee is sitting in a crowded airport lounge and decides to transfer a file using their phone, they automatically understand their active role in protecting that information, and they know the potential consequences of doing it poorly. And that brilliantly illustrates why having a clear, acceptable use of assets framework is absolutely crucial. It acts as the perfect bridge. You need explicit, highly practical rules defining exactly how equipment, systems, and networks should be safely utilized today. It takes the philosophical idea of be secure and translates it into here is exactly how you handle data on your hybrid setup. Section 3, the expert solution. Here's how we patch that vulnerability. So if you're sitting there realizing your own documentation is, well, a little dusty, there is a premium instantaneous solution so you don't have to spend the next 6 months reinventing the wheel. The ISO 27001 Institute, which operates under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute, has developed a meticulously crafted, done-for-you template that covers all these critical modern requirements. We're talking about 19 pages of comprehensive rules. It's professionally drawn and fully editable in a convenient Microsoft Word format. But what makes this genuinely a game changer is the pedigree. It was developed by an elite committee of principal auditors and crafted by lead instructors who live and breathe these standards every single day. Unlike those generic text-heavy manuals we were talking about earlier, this 19-page expert document uses a brilliant FAQ styling. It entirely replaces dense compliance jargon with highly relevant real-world examples. And this is how humans actually learn. When an employee has a question about remote work, they can just look at the FAQ format, see a practical scenario that directly matches their day-to-day life, and immediately understand exactly where the boundaries lie. Section 4, your 15-year head start. Let's talk about that instant maturity leap. Now, let's look at the sheer scale of the return on investment here. Creating a document of this caliber internally, that literally takes most organizations over a decade of trial and error. But with this template, you just download it, securely save the original, and open your working copy. By spending just a few minutes using the standard find and replace function to swap out hypothetical placeholders like ABC Technologies Private Limited or ABC TPL with your own organization's name, you are done. You bypass all the headaches, the guesswork, and the audit failures, and you jump straight to an expert-level operational standard, instantly achieving a 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. It's incredible. So we have to bring it all back to you. Are your guidelines truly ready for the modern workplace? Are you prepared to eliminate this compliance nightmare today? Or are you going to wait for the auditor, or much worse, a devastating data breach to find that hidden landmine first? Please, don't leave your awareness to chance. Secure your 15-year head start by visiting ISO 2701 Institute today. After all, if your team doesn't know where the boundaries are, how can you possibly expect them not to cross them?